Life is easy when you're up on the mountain. You've got peace of mind like you've never known. But things change when you're down in the valley. Don't lose faith, for you're never alone. For the God on the mountain is still God in the valley. When things go wrong, oh, He'll make them right. And the God of the good times is still God in the bad time. The God of the day is still God in the night. And you talk of faith when you're up on the mountain, but talks come so easy when life's at its best. Now it's down in the valleys of trials and temptations. That's where your faith is really put to the test. For the God on the mountain is still God in the valley. When things go wrong, oh, He'll make it right. And the God of the good times is still God in the bad times. The God of the day is still God in the night. The God of the day is still God in the night.